29 forecast.
Good Thursday afternoon. We've had a warm and humid day. We've had afternoon thunderstorms. We've had some wind damage with some of the storms that pulsed to severe levels this afternoon. There's a review of the last several, about 6 hours. Currently, the only warning is currently across northwestern Rockingham County, again up toward Broadway, Timberville, that until 6:30. Again, all these storms have had a history of producing some damaging wind gusts. There's some lighter showers through Albemarle, back through Palmyra, but these are some of the wind damage reports with trees down or power lines. Areas like Greenville and southeastern Augusta County. Wintergreen had numerous trees down. The Hollymead area with some power outages as well with trees down from the storms that came through earlier this afternoon. We still have a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock. This maybe get whittled away or canceled early, but nonetheless, most of the storms have kind of fired up and moved out of the region. There's a view right now as we put a time lapse in motion of the storms that passed northwest of Charlottesville. You see that rain shaft, and of course, even if you didn't receive the rain, it certainly knocked the temperature down. We made it up to 92 today. We're currently at 81. Now the airport with that severe storm had a gust of 55 miles an hour, almost half an inch of rainfall. 91 was the high today, right now 75, and numbers in the Shenandoah Valley 75 at the Valley Airport, touching 90 this afternoon before the storm set in. It'll be a muggy and mild overnight. Temperatures pretty much in the mid to upper 60s. There'll be some areas of fog with, again, just the chance of an early evening storm. Tomorrow, temperatures should hold generally in the upper 80s to near 90. But once again, the afternoon, early evening hours present that best chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. There's still a marginal risk, similar to today, that we could see a few storms that produce some damaging wind gusts, some spotty hail, and of course there could be some locally heavy rainfall. So the chance of showers and storms is still with us tomorrow. It'll be another warm, humid day. Saturday, the coverage could be a little bit less, even though we're going to have a no front come through. Some of the storms could fire a little farther south and east of the region, but we'll top out either side of 90 degrees, and then a real pleasant air mass will settle in for Sunday. Still watching what is now a depression, Cristobal, over Mexico. It's produced some very heavy rain and flooding rain, devastation here. It's going to move back out into the Gulf, and by the end of the weekend, early next week, the remnants of that will have to be watched for our forecast as we get toward the latter half of next week. In the short term, we've had showers and thunderstorms firing up this afternoon. Combination of very humid, warm air mass, a little upper air disturbance coming through, and a weakening front off to our north. Those same ingredients are kind of at play tomorrow, and that will give rise to a few more storms. So again, this evening, most of the activity kind of fades away. There'll be some more storms farther north and west of us, and then tomorrow morning we should start dry. Some areas of fog. It'll be warm and muggy. Temperatures 85 to near 90. Afternoon and evening, another round of storms comes through. Then on Saturday we should start dry as well, but currently the coverage on Saturday with the front could be a little less for us and more across southeastern Virginia. Temperatures will still top out either side of 90. So evening storms fade away. Muggy, 65 to around 70 for the overnight. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, still warm and humid here as we go through Friday and the start of the weekend. Sunday's looking quite pleasant with a drop in the humidity. That'll last into early next